Naku, alaan mo!
Chika Minute, Kapamilya Princess shared her and her boyfriend secret to keeping the spark alive in their relationship, and that is to always have time for each other. Very often kami sa lahat ng bagay at sinisigurado namin na kahit anong busy namin sa isa't isa, palagi kaming may time na kaming dalawa lang, she said. She added kung gusto talaga, may paraan so talagang pinag-uusapan namin no matter what happens, gaano man kami ka-busy. An actress shared that one of the best things a couple should have for a long-lasting relationship is to learn to give and take. She added, ang maganda niyan ay nagkakasundo kaming dalawa sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto naming iprioridad. She admitted that if they do disagree on things, they are quick to resolve it. Wala yung lalaki siya, babae ako. Sa relationship, dapat walang ganon. Dapat pantay. She added. Actress B also noted the importance of understanding your partner's job and priorities and how your partner should also understand yours. With a compromise and keep both of them happy.